Hey friends, I hope you are having a good day today. So I'm trying something a little bit different today. I am going to be trying some magnetic eyelashes. So I've never been one to use fake eyelashes only because I've never gotten down the whole like gluing part and then an application, never been able to get it right. So I actually got a Bella Bella magnetic eyelash kit from the company Bella Bella, and thank you Bella Bella for sending me this, and I'm excited to try these today. I did try it last night and I'm impressed. So let me start there. So I did put my makeup on. I put a little bit of eyeshadow on. I did not put any eyeliner on. So let's look at the kit real quick. This kit comes with 3 sets of eyelashes and the magnetic eyeliner. And then it has this nice little tool for applying the magnetic eyelashes. So we will see how this works. Okay, so here goes. It does say shake the eyeliner about 20 times. So I'm gonna shake this up real good. Let's first have a look at these eyelashes. I don't think I could even wear these top ones. I think I would look kind of funny. So I'm going for the bottom ones. I did trim them. I have sort of small eyes. So when you're looking at these, think of these as your eyes. So the one on the right-hand side is actually your left eye. So when you close your eye, you can kind of measure to see if you need to trim any. So you can tell I needed to trim maybe about, 1/8 of an inch off the end here. And that's where you want to trim, is on the end of these things. If you decide to try these out, make sure they fit your eyes before you start. So this is what the little applicator looks like when you take it out. Looks like a typical eyeliner. It is a little bit thick, I think. When you draw it on, you kind of need something thick so that it'll stick to it, because basically this eyeliner has magnetic properties in there, and all you should have to do is affix the eyelashes to the line. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Now I would love to do a nice wing here. I'm not great at wings, especially with an applicator like this. So I'm gonna just do very simple thin line. Okay, that feels pretty good. And I'm gonna do this on the other side too. I had a little boo-boo over here. Got some on my lower lash, so I'm gonna try to get that off. That is one thing that I noticed when I tried this last night. Getting the eyelash or the eyeliner off, you need some micellar water because it is some thick stuff and it was hard to take off. I'm just gonna thicken this top up a little bit. The other thing is you don't want to be applying and then taking off. You want to get it right on the first time, because what happens is, since it's magnetic, if you put the eyelashes on and you take them off, it'll pull some of that eyeliner with it because it is magnetic, and you'll have to reapply. We now need to let this dry for a few minutes. So while this is drying, let's just sit here for a few minutes and talk. So I wanted to make a little bit of an announcement about my channel. I have so enjoyed making videos and doing this as my hobby. I have been, and it has been so fun. And I've done every different kind of pixie cut style you could think of, different lengths of my hair, different colors of my hair, and I have just had such a great time. I think the best thing about this channel is the connection I've made with all the wonderful people out there that follow me. And just love all of the different comments that you guys have made over the several months that you may have been my subscriber. I've just enjoyed connecting with each and every one of you. So if you have followed me for a long time, you do know that my daughter has been helping me do videos. So she has been doing all of the editing for majority of the time I've been doing YouTube. If you go back to some of my early videos that were pretty bad, I have to say, I've gone back and watched some of my early videos and I'm like almost cringing, because I've obviously gotten better at it, and then the editing has just gotten amazingly better because of my daughter's expertise. But I have been having the urge to do different kinds of videos. Like, I have sort of gotten stuck on pixie cuts, you might have noticed. I'm gonna just touch up my eyeshadow while I'm sitting here. So again, you might have noticed I really did get stuck on doing pixie cut styles and beauty, and I absolutely love it, but I have been having the urge to do something completely different with my channel. It's not that that I don't want to do pixie cut videos anymore. That's definitely not it, but it is just that I have the urge to use my creative expertise and try different things. And so my daughter and I have been talking about kind of coming together and trying different things, trying different types of videos, and maybe not doing as many. So spending a little more time on a few videos rather than pumping out a new video every week. And both of us have full-time jobs, so this is just something we do in the weekend. So I guess my big announcement is that after this video, I'm gonna be taking a couple months break, and you might see other types of videos pop up on my channel that have nothing to do whatsoever with pixie cuts. And it's just that I love my channel and I love all of my subscribers, and if you don't enjoy watching the videos that we may do, that's okay too. But it's just a chance to try something new and to give myself a creative break, and especially since the holidays are coming up. So I hope you all understand, and I am super excited to create some different types of content away from the beauty end of things. All right, so let's get back to these eyelashes. So I'm gonna zoom way in here. Okay, so now we need to take our little grabbers here, and I'm gonna do my left eye first. So what I'm gonna do is just pull them from here, just the very edge. And they're magnetic, so see, they just stick on here. That eyeliner is a bit sticky. And man, I just realized I did such a terrible job applying this eyeliner. Okay. Oh wow, oh wow. It is so much better now that I have trimmed this, because last night when I did this, the eyelash was like bumping into the side of my eye, so that was not working. But yeah, that is pretty impressive. Let's try the other one. Really, honestly, like once you get an edge, I am impressed here. Now, the only thing I'm noticing is I didn't quite get a very thick line at the very corner of my eye. So I'm gonna fix that real quick. And it's so easy to take these off. You just pull them off. So let's just add just a little tiny bit more at the corner of my eye there. So I think the biggest drawback to these things is it's just a little bit messy. So you have to be very careful, and it's hard to take off your skin. So that's where the micellar water comes into play. Try to be a little more precise than I was over here in my right eye. I just didn't do an impeccable job, let me put it that way. All right, let's see if this will go back on. I think it's just gorgeous. They feel actually better than regular fake eyelashes. I don't know, I think the glue always just bothered my eyes. So I really think if I decide to wear these, which I don't really have a lot of options to wear fake eyelashes, but my husband and I are going to Vegas with a couple friend of ours, and I think I'll wear these there. Like, I don't have opportunities usually to wear fake eyelashes, but this, I think I would use these way more than the regular fake eyelashes. So I'm impressed with this kit. I think it's great. I don't think I would use these two. It's just not my style. I like a more natural eyelash. But yeah, I am impressed. So thank you, Bella Bella, for sponsoring this video. And then I also want to say thank you to each and every one of you for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you. Again, I appreciate your patience with me as I take a little bit of a break here towards the holidays. And I hope you watch some of the new content that we will be bringing to you next year. Have a great day, guys. Bye.